We introduce MCU Simulator Online, a simulator available free of charge on the browser. MCU Simulator Online is a revolutionary tool that enables an immediate start to the initial evaluation of MCUs. There is no need to purchase an evaluation board or install a development environment. Just access it in your browser. Over 100 sample projects are available. You can start the initial evaluation of MCUs immediately by simply selecting a project. MCU Simulator Online also supports simulation of not only CPU but also peripheral functions. And then, on Virtual Board in MCU Simulator Online, virtual external components can be connected to the simulator. From basic components such as LEDs, switches, and potentiometers to LCDs, and serial communication components, a variety of virtual external components are available. With these virtual external components, you can check the behavior of the program on Virtual Board. MCU Simulator Online has a number of other features that are useful for initial evaluation. The code editor provides basic debugging features such as watch variables, breakpoints, and step execution. The current consumption graph shows the change in current used by the peripheral functions at each step of the program. These functions enable detailed debugging and evaluation. Projects used in MCU Simulator Online can be exported and opened in Renesas's integrated development environment. The project can then be used on a desktop environment for debugging and development with a physical board. MCU Simulator Online supports some groups of RL78 family and RA family. Please try it out for prototyping, trial use, advanced use when no board is available, or for educational purposes.